What's up everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we are declaring the winners of the Detail Guardz pad washer. That video was put out, maybe 2 weeks ago. Sorry guys, I was supposed to let a week go by, but maybe it was better I let 2 weeks go by. That way, plenty of people get to see the video and comment on it so that they can win. But I think the comments have pretty much died down on that, so perfect time to pick the winner. So I used the TubeBuddy little add-on thing that is on our YouTube channel, and I actually do suggest that if you have a YouTube channel, check out TubeBuddy. It actually has a lot of nice tools on there to help you edit and do all that type of stuff. That's a little plug in there or anything. Just, they're not paying me for or anything like that, or telling me to do that. I just use it and I like it. Give it a try if you're a YouTuber and you want to up your game and get some nice options. All right, down to the winners. So, where'd my phone go? All right, here we go. Sorry, got distracted. We got the winners here, and the winner is Detail Enthusiast. Congratulations. Thank you for commenting, and yeah, brag that you got it from Miranda Detailing. By the way, my first name is Phil, my wife is Jessica, Miranda is our last name. I know some guys just see Miranda Detailing and they say, hey, what's up Miranda? It's my last name. I know, 2 first names, whatever, family name. And Detail Enthusiast, when you get that, I'm actually going to get your info, so email me down below. I'll comment also on your comment with my email. So email me your info and I send that to Detail Guardz and they send it directly to you. So bypasses me, I don't have to worry about shipping. They will just send it right to you and give me your thoughts on it. I want to hear what you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know. I still use it. However, every once in a while, like I just had these 2 pads. If I just have 2 pads, I just throw them in the sink, soak them, wring them out. You know, it's not that big of a deal. But if I have a ton of pads, then I do pull out the pad washer because it is better. And another little tip with that, use warm to hot water. Not super scalding hot water, but you know, as hot as you can take with your hands, because it does help with breaking down the chemicals and the waxes and polishes in the pads, and it softens up the pads also. So use warm to hot water in the pad washer and change it out frequently, like every 2 to 3 pads, dump it out, put more hot water in there, and redo the process. It actually does help a lot. I was testing it and it works much, much better. So congratulations, Detail Enthusiast, and I hope you enjoy that. Again, I'll get your info down below. So thank you guys for joining me. If you want to see more videos, more giveaways, especially giveaways, then consider purchasing some of the merchandise. I know I have the Car Guy Supplies t-shirt on right now. I don't have mine on. They're all being washed right now. But if you want some of the merchandise, we have t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, we have a bunch of stuff on there. Then click on the link down below or in the card up above if I have it there, and you can purchase a bunch of stuff on there. Put in code Miranda25, you'll get 25% off, and any of the profits from there go into an account for giveaways. Stuff that I can buy for you guys. Not just for me, not just products for me to try out, because I will buy, you know, products from that account to try out here. But what I plan to do is try to get some companies to work along with us, some detailing companies, equipment companies as well that make detailing equipment, and it'd be great if they would be able to do giveaways like this. The Detail Guardz, thank you for setting up the giveaway, for sending me the pad washer. I'm going to use it and I'm loving it already. So great stuff you guys make. Thank you for the giveaway. Continue to make awesome products. Keep innovating and making some cool stuff. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, check out a ton of our other videos, interior and exterior details. We have other types of how-tos and reviews, all sorts of stuff. So check out the links down below that go to the channel and all the different playlists, and I hope you enjoy those videos and help us to be able to grow the channel. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.